If you're into small component manufacture, then sliding head technology is the technology for you. And Alec here is going to tell us exactly why. Now, this is one of your smaller capacity machines, isn't it, Alec?
It is. It's not the smallest, but the SR10J, obviously, as it says on the tin, up to 10mm capacity.
Okay, so what is the technology behind a sliding head? What makes it so different?
It's all to do with the headstock. On sliding headstock machines, the headstock moves the material towards the plattens that do the cutting. On your traditional lathe, fixed headstock machine, the headstock is static, so the tools move towards the material.
And so what's the advantage?
The advantage on a sliding headstock machine is all to do with the stability of cut. The cutting tools are in very close proximity to the guide bush, which supports the material. In this particular machine, it's almost an interference fit. They're that close to the guide bush, so we can do some real stable cutting at real tiny diameters.
So let's look at the setup of this machine, because that's what an engineer wants to see, that greater understanding of what's going on inside.
Okay, so on this machine, that's the headstock, moving the material in and out in the Z direction. You can see the backside of the guide bush there with supporting the material as it goes through to the guide bush. I'll show you the business end, which is the cutting room. So here we have an L-shaped platen on head one. You can see the stick tools there really close to the guide bush, really close to the bar stock. And for head two, we've got 4 tools which will simultaneously cut the component on head two.
So compared to a twin spindle then, is this easy to program?
It is. You've got 2 CNC programs working in conjunction with each other. It's basically 90% FANUC G-code combined with about 10% Star Command System.
So what are the main advantages then of someone going, right, this is technology that I need?
If you're looking for increased productivity, increased efficiency, increased accuracy, you really need to consider sliding head technology.